Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. Today I'm going to show the tutorial for the pop-up typewriter card. So this is the die, and I have die cut the pieces. So for this one is to show you how to die cut the piece. So you need to prepare two paper. So this is the outer side card. The card is 24 by 13.5 centimeters, and here is the inches. So this is the inner card. So I also wrote the size here. And this is where I die cut the inner side. So when you have the cardstock, you need to cut the cardstock yourself, and then you use the bone folder to mark the half of the center of the card, and then put it here. As you can see here, you can see the cutting lines, right? So just put them to the mark you have, then run it through the cutting machine, and you will get this. And I'll show you how to fold it. So it's like this. And I also die cut these parts. So for this one is this part, and then this one is this frame is this part, and a second frame is this part, and the third frame is this part. So first of all, to stick the inner card to the outer card. And then put the keyboard part together. So use the layering piece to glue it together so you can get the keyboard part. For this part, there are two cutting lines there, and you need to score the line between these two cutting lines and fold it so you have the space to stick on the typewriter. and you need to put this part, just stick it along the side of the place where the paper will pop up. Now to stick the keyboard part on the card. So for the words, I used the sentence from the love stamp in our store. So for the connection part, it's the connection between the paper and the card. So the paper will stand up on the card. And for the front side of the card, I used a pattern paper. So the card is ready now. You can see it can fold flat when you want to mail it out. So this is the typewriter card I made. Hope you find my tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.